Money Pit.
Hey, it's Tom Kreitler from the Money Pit. Welcome to my Money Pit. Today I'm going to install this new Maximus camera floodlight. It's a smart floodlight, has lots of cool features to it. We're going to remove and replace this old fixture that's on my back porch door with the new one. So let me first give you a quick walk around before we get started. First of all, this has 2400 lumens. That's plenty of light for any type of security light. And we also have the motion detector control, which is a lot of cool features. There's a camera built into it. And also one of the neatest things is the fact that the way this installs is there's a plate on the back that you simply unlock, rotate, and remove. So all we really need to install is this plate. Once the plate's in, the light itself will sort of just snap right in place. So first thing with any electrical project is to turn the power off. Let's get to that and we'll get it installed. All right, the light's installed, and so the next step was to download the Kuna security app, and that's free in the App Store. It's also available in the Google Play Store. And then once you get the app downloaded, it pretty much walks you through the setup. We're going to check it out now as we kind of walk up towards my porch, and you see the light does come on right away, and I got an alert on the phone. Now, what's interesting about this is all the things that you can do, say you're inside the house, once that light comes on and the chimes go off. Inside the house, you can have a conversation with the person that's at your door, or you could have pre-recorded conversations.
Hi, we can't answer the door right now, but the camera is recording, so please just...
Or you could have the dog bark. Or you could have a fairly limited but pretty clear conversation about the fact that you're just not interested.
I'm sorry, we're pretty busy right now.
Bottom line, the product works and works well. It delivers clear video, offers lots of ways to monitor your home from inside or while you're away, and it's an easy to install smart home update for any home. You can learn more about the Maximus Security Floodlight at getkuna.com.